we going, Harmony?
Camping!
Camping at Plaskett. What about you, Lily?
Biscuits is good.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Pooh is excited too.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, we need
Going
Pooh
camping at
sunshine
Plaskett.
hat. We never got it.
Been kind of chaotic, but we are doing it. Here, use this sunshine hat.
Oh. That's not it.
And camping nowadays is not as easy as it used to be. When you have 5 dogs, 2 cats, 2 kids, and 30 chickens. Here we are, camping at Plaskett with Lily and Auntie Heidi.
Oh, is that your YouTube camera?
Me and my lame YouTube.
Mom movies.
Well, you know what? I do it for memory's sake.
I love it.
Mom. Whoopsies.
What are you doing, Knick Knack?
Okay, don't fall backwards. Lily, where'd Harmony go?
Down below.
Okay,
Come on.
Where's Biscuit? She had Biscuit with her.
Pop it down there. I thought it was just gonna pop up. Heidi, you don't want.
Do you see Biscuit down there?
No, thank you.
Liam's got it. Farrah, you want one? Yeah.
Sure, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, I brought our eggs out.
For this beach day, I'm really hoping we have like no wind like right
Yeah.
now. This is wonderful. There are
You eating your Cheetos? Harmony, can I see your breakfast?
I mean, yesterday's wind
Yeah.
was really fierce.
Show me.
I mean, sometimes it'll just stay offshore.
That looks good, baby. I like it.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Oh, good job, sister. Good job sharing. Oh, Lily. Hello. There we are. Lily and Auntie. The bestest ever. So good. Go, sister. Go, sister. That's gonna be you, Lily.